car in the middle driveway that's stripping the gasoline. No, I knocked on all the neighbors' door. He's not home. The neighbors, they don't have his number. So. Good morning. Welcome to the ScrapPalletMan channel. Our journey's starting right now. So it's the weekend. I normally don't do a lot of scrapping, but yeah, got some copper, a couple appliances, and my scrapyard will take this because there's a lot of metal to it, and even though there's a lot of plastic, and some scrapyards don't take plastic dishwashers, but mine does. Just yeah. All right, let's get the stuff offloaded because it's Sunday. But anyway, I need to help out with going to the store to get gutters and putting up gutters right along here and back there, up there. But I need to get this stuff out of the back of the truck. So my buddy Rick, yeah, he knows how to put gutters on a house. The only knowledge in gutters I know is back in my dark days. And they weren't the good kind of gutters. Whew, happy Sunday. What's up, dude? This is about as useful as I am as pushing a cart.
Gotta have it.
Couldn't you get any loppers? I mean, you need some, right?
Yeah, I do. That special kind that fits well in Paul's truck.
4-foot loppers for my... Dude, I got 12 of those aluminum chairs, man, that they want the steel taken off of.
Yeah, there's a new...
Here at Menards, checking out how they attached these, so they're actually bolted on. They're not even using their stakes. And it's one piece. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend $300 or $400 to do this to the back of my truck. And this is when we cue in the Sanford and Son. Someone asked me if I could record just walking into the lobby when church is going. So church is starting about 10 minutes or so. Thank you. Yep. Hey, what's going on? All right, good.
This is all I see. You are my everything. Jesus Christ, you are my one desire. Lord. That way so sweet, it floods my soul, and hope eternal won't let go. I dare erased at Calvary, 'cause Jesus rescued me.
All right, there was just a post on the local Facebook free cycle page that there was a bunch of scrap on the curb. So they said no holds, no comments, come and get it, and gave the address. So we're gonna go check it out right now. Yay, the metal's still there. All right.
Your destination is on the left.
Good, good, good. Let's load it up. All right, let's figure out what we have here first. I see a computer, and I definitely see some wires. That's probably aluminum, and then that massive grill. Yep, and I'll bet there'll be some other scrappers showing up. So. Put the tools in the front of the car. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Actually, I'm not sure if I want to do any. I don't know. Is this all coax? Yeah. Take the whole thing, I guess. Dude, I don't know if I can get this. This thing's a beast. Wow. Okay. This is by far the biggest, heaviest grill I have ever messed with. Yep. I don't know if that's aluminum or not. Let's take a look. I'm gonna say it's steel. Oh yeah. Big time steel. All right. so I just laid it down in the back. One of the cool byproducts of having a YouTube channel is it's a documentation of my life. So I'm looking back at like videos from a year ago of stuff that I just forgot, and I'm glad that I documented them. And I encourage everyone, you know, to break their phones out and to record some stuff. And you don't have to put it on as public like I do. You can do it unlisted, which means that you have to share a link for someone to see the videos. They're not searchable. And or if you do want to go public and do it, you know, you can do the same thing. You know, you can, absolutely. You know, if I can stumble and bumble my way through a YouTube channel, anyone can. But I can do a video with you talking.
Okay. When? Tell me when.
You're already on, girl.
Oh, ScrapPalletMan! I'm such a big fan. I love you.
ScrapPalletMan, love you too. All right, hey, I'm gonna grab Rick here and yeah. Oh, he's on the phone, so.
All right, tell him I said hi.
Okay, I will. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Call ended.
Morning. Yeah, it's the next morning. Ooh. Hey, for you folks that are wondering what happened to Mike E. Fine Stuff, the answer is I don't know, but he's a smart cookie. So mark my words. He's up to something, and it's going to be big. That's right. Man, it is the morning, and I just feel like doing another intro. I don't hear. Let's do another intro. Let's just start it out. So that I gotta walk over here. Good morning. Welcome to the ScrapPalletMan channel. Man, I'm excited about today. What we're gonna talk about is music. Wow, recovery, yeah, and Jesus. Woo! I just had to get that out. But I am gonna drop this off at the scrapyard. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, and before I start getting the comment, oh, that's a sign of the devil. It's not. That's American Sign Language for I love you. Just saying. A little morning metal. That's right. Oh, let's try not to kill people. Slow down there, Paul. You're always in such a rush. $3,860. That's not very much. You know what? Let's take a quick tour. So this is that prepared steel, which is short steel, I guess. Got a little quad going here. All right. I'm gonna kick that thing off of my truck. They did a good job. They cleaned up. It's looking good. Really? Wonder if they caught that on camera. I wonder if that was caught on camera. All right, you gotta check out Virgil. That's a good looking load right there, Virgil. What you got going on here? You out scrapping? Yeah. Good old Virgil. Scrapping. Yeah, he's up bright and early just like me. It's not gonna scrap itself. That's for sure. All right. All right, let's get our 10 bucks or $9. Good morning. How are y'all feeling?
Oh, you know, it's Monday.
It is Monday, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so $9. It's $100 a net ton, so it's, yeah, 180 pounds. All right, let's get to work. So driving from the scrapyard, scrap happens. All right, let's go load that other stuff up. All right, so this is just the weekend scrap that I've tripped across. All right, let's see if we can get 10 more bucks. Okay, now we are at $39.20, so this will be a little bit more than last time. So, good. Uh-oh, I got a message. All right, so that was 260 pounds for 13 buckaroonies. All right. Okay, check this out. I was at my scrapyard, or done with that scrap just now, and I go back to my house, and there's the smell of gasoline. Not just a little smell, a lot of smell. So I look over, and my neighbor's vehicle is dripping gasoline. Not just dripping, it was a stream of gasoline. It's not even drips. And there's a puddle about 3 foot in diameter, maybe a little bit more, of gasoline. So the fire department is just right around the corner. So I tried knocking on their door. There was no answer. I went to actually 5 different neighbors, and no one was able to contact Joe. So I just drove over to the fire department and talked to them face to face. Said, hey, here's my dilemma, that I got a neighbor which works on his vehicle, and he has a puddle of gasoline, a significant puddle of gasoline underneath his vehicle. Is there anything that I should do? Or anyway, so they're coming over to take a look. Yeah. So hopefully it's not a bunch of sirens and stuff. I don't want to embarrass anybody, but I'd rather be embarrassed than have an issue where my neighbor's house burned down. So, all right. Some nice new gutters. Yeah, thanks, Rick. You're awesome, dude. Look at that. That's amazing. So here's the issue. Oh, it's not dripping anymore. Huh. Okay. Yeah, so it's not a big deal anymore. Oh, okay. It's still dripping. You can tell. It was dripping a lot more than that, though. The car in the middle driveway that's dripping the gasoline. No, I knocked on all the neighbors' doors. He's not home. The neighbors, they don't have his number. So. All right, just a little kitty litter. Kitty litter and a kitty litter in the back. Yeah, they released actually the pressure on that top part, so now it's not pushing any fuel out of the bottom. So, whew.